Hello guys, welcome to the world of creativity with FC Academy on today's creative journey. So today we're going to focus on navigating the Premiere Pro interface and understanding its essential components. By the end of this session, you'll know how to set up a project, organize file, and work comfortably with the Premiere Pro workspace. Let's get started. Before we go on this creative journey, remember what I said we were going to be focusing on today. Number one, how to set up a project. Number two, organizing your file. And number three, how to work comfortably within the Premiere Pro workspace. And again, let's get started. So, firstly, is the introduction to Premiere Pro interface. When you first open your Premiere Pro, the interface may seem overwhelming. Or keep in mind that the interface is more like the home screen. But don't worry, once you understand the layout, it feels very easy and understanding. The workspace is divided into panels, each serving a specific purpose. Number one is the source monitor, number two, program monitor, number three, timeline panel, number four, tool panel, number five, project panel. But before we dive into the five lists, firstly, I'm going to teach you how to open a new project in your Premiere Pro. So, opening a new project in your Premiere Pro, sometimes you're going to see a dialog which writes new project or open recent project. So, or sometimes you're just going to see a black space. So in case you're seeing a black space as you're seeing now, all you just need to do is go to file, new, and project, or you can simply press in control alternative N. Or in case you're seeing a dialog like I said before, all you just need to do is press in new project, and you're going to see another dialog that pop up again. Number one, it is naming your project. Let's call it a beginner's guide. And for the other one, the location where you want your project to be saved in case you have a an external disk, you could put in the location by just going into browse. Let's say, for example, I have an external disk which is fc space, and let's say select folder. So the next we're going to see all this thing, which is the general scratch disk and the ingest setting. They're not that important. All you just need to do is press OK. For the source monitor, it is where you preview and trim your raw footage. Just like as you see here, this is the source monitor. In case probably I want to do some trimming or preview what footage it is exactly, I'm just going to go to my project and double click it, and you're going to see that it appears in our source monitor here. So in case I want to do a trimming, if I want it to start at the beginning, what I'm going to do is click on this place here, and maybe I want it to stop at this place here. I'm going to click on this mark out. By clicking on this, it will copy out this exact part which is being highlighted. And in case you want to copy out only the video without the audio, all you just need to do is drag this to your timeline. Or in case you want to drag in only your audio, all you just need to do is drag this also into your timeline. The project monitor, this is where you display your edited video in real time. So for this now, if I was to drag this into our timeline, you're going to find out that it is no more in the source monitor, it is now in the program monitor. This is where your real editing comes in, where you can make the changes, the editing, showing your creative skill. So timeline panel, Timeline panel is the heart of your editing. This is where clips are arranged, trimmed, and edited. So in this timeline panel, just as you can see here, this is where you could arrange in your clip. Probably on top of this, put in a peep video or display your creative, just like the program monitor. Timeline is where you make the arrangement, while the program monitor, it is where you see your changes that happens in your timeline panel. The tool panel contains tools like razor, selection, and zoom for editing. When we go to our tool panel, we're going to see various tools here, which is the selection, the track select forward tool, the ripple edit tool, the razor tool, slip tool, pen tool, hand tool, and the type tool. This first one, which is the selection tool, and by the name only we understand that it is used to select a part in our clip, while this one, which is the track select forward tool, it is used to probably, let's say, so if I was to duplicate this video, I'm just going to copy it out by pressing in Ctrl C and press in Ctrl V to paste in. So in case you have so many clips in your timeline and you want to only select this part like this, all you just need to do is use this tool. It will help you to select any clip that is forward, and in case you also want to select the one backwards, all you just need to do is press Shift A, and you're going to see that it selects any tool that is backwards. For this ripple edit tool, so for this razor tool, it also, through the name of this, you all understand that it is used to cut. The pen tool is used to draw, the hand tool is used for movement, while the type tool is used for typing. And in case you're confused on what panel to focus on, is it the timeline panel, the tool panel, or the project panel? Always start with the project panel because that is where you organize your media. Once you selected a clip, preview it in the source monitor, then drag it to the timeline to begin editing. So for the next one is the workspace customization. You're going to find out that in different video editor, you're going to find out in different tutorials on Premiere Pro that their workspace customization feels very different. So I'm also going to teach you how to customize your workspace. And for editing a video, what we normally use is the let's go up, and we normally use the editing, which is called editing, used for editing your video, while for your color grading you use color. For applying effect, or for any video that deals with effects, use effect, audio, assembly, and all panel. We all use this for a particular editing style. But in case you want to edit into your own preference, into your own style, into your own way of liking, all you just need to do is, number one, do some dragging. You're going to find in my program and my source monitor put in different place, my project put in different place, my timeline in different place, tools, and the panel, they are all in a different place or organized differently. So in case I want to change the setting of this, what I'm just going to do is, on this place where the name is written, I'm just going to left click now mouse and drag it to the place where I want it to be. So in case I want to put it in this panel where this effects and other things are, you're going to see that wherever you move your cursor to, that a blue line is being drawn there. If I move this up, it will create a new space up. If I move this to the left here, it's going to create a space that is separate like this. If I move it to down, it will create a new space down. And if I move this to the center, it is going to be added among this other panels here. So if I was to put this in the center for you to understand, you're going to see that it is added among other panels. And if I was to drag in this program monitor to the down here, you're going to see that it is added as a new or as a separate control. And in case in arranging your workspace you're unable to see a particular panel, so what we're just going to do is go to window, and let's say if I was to turn on this audio track mixer, you're going to see that that is when it is going to pop up in our scene. And also when designing your workspace, you found out that you end up making your workspace a mess, what you're just going to do is go to window, workspace, and reset to saved layout, and that is the magic. Automatically it will put back your project how it was before. So this is how you design your workspace, and keep in mind that we are creators. Our workspace should be creative. So next we're going to teach you on importing and organizing media. When you want to import a media in your Adobe Premiere Pro, what you're going to do is go to File, Import, which is Ctrl I, and you're going to see that a dialog is being popped up. So next you're going to go to the location where your media has been saved. So let's go into FC space and scroll down. So this is where our media is being seen, and next we're going to select in our media and click on open. After clicking on open, you're going to find out that your media is being imported in your project. And also the other way you can also import a media, except for going to file or clicking in Ctrl I, you can also in your project panel double click on an empty space, let's say here, and you're going to find out that the same dialog is being popped up. And with this dialog also you can also use to import a media to your Premiere Pro. Create a new bin, which is here, and let's name this first, and drag in this video here and create another new bin and call it the opening, and drag this one here, and for this one also put it in the first. With having an organized project file, it will make your work as a video editor to be more fast and effective, so that even though other creators or other editors were to come to help you finish up your project, they're not going to be confused on which one is going to be the first, which one will be the last, where is the title saved in. Organizing your project is very essential in your video editing career. Tools and basic editing. So for this tool we've already explained it. For this tool we've already explained it, and in case you want to get more insight about this tool, all you just need to do is go to our Instagram social handle. We posted all about the Premiere Pro tool. You're going to find our social media Instagram handle in the third link in the description. So today we've learned the Premiere Pro interface and panel functions, how to customize your workspace, importing and organizing media, and number 4, using basic tool for editing. So I would like to ask you, what is the difference between the source and the program monitor? All you just need to do is answer this in the comment section. So guys, this is the end of today's journey. Keep in mind that this is just the day one. More and more are coming up. Stay in touch because next is going to be an exciting topic. See you then.